High School from Bihar Board Patna, and I am present a student of BA Part 1 from LNMU Darbhanga.
That's okay. In BA Part 1, what is your subject combination?
Sir, my honors subject is economics honors, and subsidiary is history, political science, Hindi and English.
What is your hobbies?
My hobby is to reading newspaper and listening to the music.
Which
Yes.
newspaper do you like most?
In my honors
Newspaper. Since you
newspaper, I read daily newspapers such as Hindustan, Hindi newspaper only.
okay, tell me something about the author of the Hindustan paper,
So
writer, renowned writer,
he is perhaps he is Shashi Shekhar.
Shashi Shekhar.
Yes.
Tell me about his specialty in literature.
Sir, I don't read his article. I only read his only local news or national
What kind
news.
of local news have you heard from his writing?
No, sir, I don't understand.
What kind of dimensions did you get?
Shekhar writes about editorial.
Editorial.
No, sir.
He is not focusing on editorial.
You do not know about the
No, sir. I don't read the editorial section. I read only local news or national news.
No
That's all.
anything while that type of news
Okay.
he has been reading.
Yes, sir.
You should change your reading, no? You should
Yes, sir. I
cultivate
have
your good pattern of reading. Okay, you scored exceptionally well in mathematics, yes?
Yes, sir.
In your class 10 marks sheet.
Yes.
That means you have a lot of interest in mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Which topics do you like the most?
In mathematics.
Yes.
Mathematics has been my favorite subject from all time at primary stage or to secondary stage. But I like geometry very much.
Geometry.
Yes, sir, geometry.
Define circle.
Circle from one point there is radius, and radius when moves radius round
No.
360 degree, then it becomes a circle.
It has center.
Center.
And
Yes.
It has a fixed radius, and that is the same radius, which makes
Yes, sir.
it gives a circle path.
Yes, correct. If we
Now-
connect the line along with your dots, then you will get circle.
Yes,
From
sir.
an equidistance. And
Yes,
that
equidistance
equidistance is
is
called
area.
your circle, your center of the circle. So what is the relation between the radius and circumference?
Radius and circumference. It is radius and circumference.
Yes.
So it is in the ratio of 22 by
We have the
40.
formula of C is equal to
Yes, sir.
C is equal to
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
Yes, sir.
That is
That's
Yes, yes.
radius.
That was
Yes,
actually
I-
of your area. Pi r square by square.
Pi r square.
Pi by
Pi r
7.
square.
That is 22 by 7.
22 by 7.
Yes.
So this is relation between
Area.
circumference and diameter.
That is all about area.
Yes, sir. Pi r square.
Is the area of the circle. And
Sir
so far
has-
2 pi r is
Sir
considered.
has asked what
Yes,
is the
sir.
relation between radii and circumference.
Yes, sir.
Then C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is giving
Oh.
a relation between
Yes, sir.
C
Yes,
and
sir.
R.
I understand.
Okay. And that's 2r is d, diameter, and C is equal to pi d. Is not so.
Yes, correct.
And now I am asking to you Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir. It is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square of a right angle triangle.
Okay, since your certificates identify you as in OBC category,
Yes, sir.
correct? So where do you find yourself, criminal or non-criminal?
Sir, non-criminal.
Why?
Sir, I don't know about. I don't more about.
Is
this.
there any provision in the constitution about the OBC, or have you found from Mandal Commission?
Yes, sir. I have got it from Mandal Commission, and sir, I have to tell you one thing that I comes under OBC in
And come
Bihar state only,
Yes.
and in the central list, my caste is not available in OBC. I become general at that stage,
Why there is anomaly? This kind of anomaly?
sir, because of state have. I think so that state have their own provision, a special caste, and central have their own.
On the basis of the development of that very castes, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
in the social development, educational development, and cultural development also.
Correct.
In three sections, development is regarded very efficient, okay, very recognized. So in central list, you are falling in general category.
Yes,
Okay, let's say that means you are getting reservation
yes, sir. In Bihar
under
state.
the OBC category. That's your non-criminal, under non-criminal, correct? Do you think giving reservation is a very correct way? So far, Article 14 or 15 is concerned, where you have provision of right to equality. If I am giving certain reservation to anyone,
Yes, sir.
that means I am giving preferential treatment to that person.
Yes, sir.
So how this kind of anomaly can be balanced as per your perspective for your
Because sir,
perception?
reservation is a good thing. I think so, because many castes are being exploited by the higher class. So government has decided to provide reservation to this backward class, so they may go forward in every sector.
What about the things if he became the part of your politics?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any remedy for that?
In these days we are seeing that there is the environment of election in Bihar, and leaders are coming to cast to
Caste
get,
basis.
get vote on the caste basis, because when we get the example of Begusarai, there is the Bhumihar caste is so much, so there is
No, that type of remark you should not speak in your interview.
Yes.
You should speak in any region. Any caste has developed so much that
Yes.
they are creating a hindrance to the dear
For the
local, dear backward classes. Okay, and so development is not very
Don't
fair.
point any caste particularly.
yes.
Yes. You should not name any particular castes while speaking publicly anywhere. Okay. Or in the interview also.
No, I think
It will
I
give,
have given an
it will
example.
give poor remark.
I think so.
Because you never know. Your panel, your interview panel may consist of Brahmin and other caste
Yes.
people.
Yes.
That time you will get no.
It will give very poor remarks. And on this very basis, especially, interview will be stressed.
Yes, correct. He may give you
Poor marks.
poor marks
And also he
Because
will
of-
drag.
because of hurting of his or her sentiments. All right. Tell me something about your hobbies.
Hobbies, I told that reading newspaper or
Yes.
listening to the music.
Okay.
That is common hobbies.
Yes, sir.
It's a
I
very common
often
thing.
do it.
Okay.
So
Hobbies is something that makes you, that compels you to find yourself again and again at that place or at that event. Tell me that kind of hobby.
So my hobby,
How many times you read newspaper in one day?
whenever I get time, I read newspaper. First, I read newspaper morning time, or whenever I get time in at noon, I read newspaper. Only.
Then read newspaper.
Yes.
It means
Which article are best, which I cannot read.
All right. Tell me something about your target that you
Yes.
want to achieve in your life.
Sir, I have been reading, I have been studying stenography.
What is
And,
stenography?
in this section, we have to learn a special skill such as shorthand, where we have to write on paper the speech of any press conference or the speech of any leader. We have to write down the speech in a particular time. So I have
With the device?
no,
with
sir.
the hand?
With pen and paper.
Okay.
So I have to write it down and also type that matter in computer or laptop.
Do you think you are capable to write down everything whichever we are talking?
I have studied Hindi short, so I only write Hindi.
That means your writing skill in Hindi is too good.
Yes, sir.
Can you write it down? Okay, write it down.
that's the best.
Write it down.
Yes, sir.
जमाने में oh that's your technique way of
Yes,
writing. Okay, that बहुत ही
Sir, this is
मुश्किलों का ये से जानिए
in ruling paper.
ओके मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ता है जमाने में बहुत ही ओके ओके फाइन
Very good.
वेरी गुड दैट्स अ गुड स्किल यस वेरी नाइस
Now you are the student of economics,
Yes, sir.
and you must be aware of RBI.
Yes, sir.
What is
It
the
is-
role of RBI in our country?
Yes.
What position RBI held in our country as a bank?
It is the grand bank of the.
Grand instance.
Yes, sir.
Grand instance.
It is the banks of. It is the bank of all the banks of India,
करेक्ट
Very good. Very good.
and it cares all about all the monetary system of India. It controls our.
हाउ इट कंट्रोल्स
It all often I see in newspaper. It often
इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज repo rate रिवर्स repo rate
yes, sir, and shows the monetary policy of the country also. In the business section of the newspaper, I often read about it.
Okay, what about the monetary policy committee of Reserve Bank of India? Tell me something about it. How many members are there in this committee?
So I have forgotten, but I knew about it.
6 members.
Perhaps.
They are the key to revise your repo rate. Reverse. Have you gone through repo rate? What is repo rate? You know?
Bank at which rate bank provides loan to the banks. It's called.
RBI provides loan to the commercial bank.
Yes, sir.
That is repo rate.
Repo rate.
And commercial bank provides loan to the RBI. Okay. And that is
Under your reverse.
Reverse repo rate.
and which is always more than that of prior one.
Repo rate is more or reverse repo rate is more?
Sir, I have no any
Repo
special
rate-
knowledge of this.
Repo rate is always higher.
I
Vis-a-vis your reverse repo rate. Anyways. Okay, tell me how money works in our country.
yes, sir. Money works. Money is a very important thing for the economic system of a country. It not only the system of exchanging goods or services, but also becomes a man rich or poor.
Yes.
and
Okay.
it also shows the status of a
Okay.
person.
Since you have a very deep interest in your press conference, yes,
Yes, sir.
because that's your goal.
Yes, sir.
That you want to achieve in your life. Okay. So let's have a situation where you have written records or you have a lot of records or data, everything, and you find that some politicians are actually interpreting in a very negative manner what actually have the records. Means they are saying a very bad things.
Yes.
They are making false statement there. So what kind of steps do you like to take in that situation?
Sir, in that sector, I have to. We are only told that to write down that the speech. So whenever I go there, whenever I got opportunity to go there, there will be also training. So I.
Yes, very good. Good answer. Over to you. And different question.
Just what type of training you may be employed under to get segregate your problems?
So I don't.
I just asked you that you were just an stenographer.
Yes.
Then how you have to communicate with your minister or your employer?
So being a stenographer, I works that leader or higher post officer. I works as their assistant also. So I assist them for few types of documents. This comes also under my works also. So as an assistant, we often assist him because every leader has no extra time to understand everything.
Okay, how is your interview?
My interview is very good and I'm feeling very better now.
Okay. And you
Because this is my first interview.
Okay. Okay, send Gaurav.
Yes.
See, there is Gaurav, no?
Yes.
Send to him. Okay, excellent.
Very good.
So can I take documents?
Yes, yes.
May I check?
Yes.
किसको
गौरव, एक काम करना तुम अभी ऑन करके ऊपर जाना और मेरी मम्मी को बोल देना कि 2 कप चाय।
नहीं,
ठीक है।
चाय लेते हैं।
क्या सोच रहे हो?
नहीं, चाय लेते हैं, रोटी चाय लेते हैं। नाश्ता कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा, एक चाय, ठीक है। अभी आने दो, ऑन करके तो बोलना कि सर चाय आप नहीं लीजिएगा।
नहीं, नहीं। ज़रा चाय में शहर में है।
अच्छा, हम तो जानते हैं कि चाय के मास्टर है, चाय तो खूब पीते हैं। चाय चाहिए हमको, मेरा पावर भाई है।
अब योगा करते हैं सर। What is your good name?
My name is Gaurav Kumar.
Gaurav Kumar is belonging to which city or
From Begusarai.
to which ward? Location?
Yes, Padilla.
That's which class do you read in?
Here, first year. Economics and
How much marks you have got in inter-council?
237.
That is, I am asking in percentage.
49.6%.
How much marks you have got in 10th class?
49.4%. 6%.
What is your hobbies?
What is that cooking?
Cooking.
Yes,
What?
cooking, sir.
What you have cooked? How many items you have cooked? How many food stuffs you have cooked till now? or either you have chosen hobbies like that. If I tell to cooking as hobbies,
Yes.
then sir will be confused and question will be yes.
Actually, he is one of the best chef. He is a chef.
So that's why your hobby is cooking.
Cooking.
That's all. I'm very
Okay.
pleased.
Which food do you like the most in cooking?
Sir, Matar Paneer and Dal Makhani.
Dal makhani. How dal makhani can be cooked? Tell me the procedure.
Sir, procedure to boil the anything. Chana dal and boiled to cook and any ingredients and oils and these types.
Are you working anywhere? In any hotel, in any
No, sir.
or you have
all practice to my dad is a chef. Any sadi and parties to cook it.
that's your own business.
Yes, sir.
That's what I am asking.
Yes.
Right.
All right.
You scored very less marks, little marks in your mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Why is it so?
Literally, my starting to my education class 10th. So I think
You have started education in class 10.
10th.
From 10,
Yes.
and you haven't studied 9 or 8.
No, sir.
That's very high marks. And,
That means you got very good marks. That's very
and
good.
extra pressure from your work site
Yes, sir.
and home side.
Yes, sir.
You have less manpower in your home.
Yes.
You have been engaged in your father's affairs,
Yes,
business.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that's why you have got less time to give to study.
Yes.
That's the reason I suppose to secure less marks in class. But I suppose this is very high marks as I know your working condition.
Okay, tell me something about your goal. What you want to do in future? What is the goal?
My goal is a hotel management, but I can't information. I don't information to hotel management. My goal is hotel management to master chef, but no information is.
All right. That means you have a deep, keen interest in hotel management.
Yes.
Let's say you have a hotel. Let's say you are the manager of your hotel.
Yes.
So what kind of steps do you want to take in order to advertise your hotel in Begusarayi district?
I think, sir, my hotel grow to good food
Correct.
and good management to public prostitute my hotel and any customer how to come because come and good service provide and good service provide and
Hospitality.
yes,
Because you have to be polite with the customers. And the quality is the best way to attract the customers. Over to you, sir.
Okay. What is your goal in your life? That is, sir has asked.
Yes. Analytical questions.
Yes, so, just you are a manager of any hotel. Okay.
yes,
Because your hobby is becoming a cook,
yes,
and you want to get a study in hotel management.
yes.
Okay. So you are a hotel manager, and
No, sir. I want to chef.
that's okay. I'm just as we have done hotel management.
Yes, sir.
So you have to become hotel manager.
Yes.
You are hotel manager of Begusarayi, and you have to control COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, on behalf of your hotel management, and what steps you have to implement?
Sir, I handle it to any person, any employee to use gloves and masks, and any time to keep a social distance, and sanitizer used time to time, and good counseling, good sir, I think so good sorry, customer to enter my hotel and to properly check it his not a
From where he is coming?
coming
So he must be sanitized
sanitized
while entering into room. Social distancing to be followed throughout your hotel. Personal hygiene, environment hygiene, and hotel hygiene to be cared of.
Okay, Gaurav, how do you feel after giving this interview?
I said this is my first interview. I feel too good, and I think performance was too good. That's all.
Okay. Okay.
Very good.